Live today, there is no tomorrow.
And that's exactly what these senior citizens are doing, enjoying themselves during a game of dominoes. The initiative is a partnership between the National Council for Senior Citizens and the National Association of Domino Bodies, alongside various senior citizen clubs in and around the corporate area. The aim is to keep the old actively young.
It helps them in terms of recalling. It also helps in terms of relationship building, and it's just another way for them to be engaged.
Parish organizer for the National Council for Senior Citizens, Maureen Byfield Jarvis, says the program is very inclusive.
We also meet seniors at the level that they're at. So if it is that they are actually shut-ins, then we will actually meet them based on the programs that best fit them.
First time playing dominoes, loving it. I'm going to buy a pack today and practice at home.
84-year-old Cynthia Thomas has been playing dominoes since she was a child.
It makes you mentally active, relax, and if it's a sport person, it's a good game to play out. Even watch it. You can watch it still and learn a lot from it and enjoy yourself in the meantime.
78-year-old Arsenal Williams says it keeps his brain sharp.
Domino, to me, is a mental game. You have to keep concentrating on what you're playing. And if it's a partner game, you'd have to concentrate on what your partner play, what the man under your hand play, and then you just work on that.
While the seniors are having fun and staying fit, they're also preparing for a competition next month.
I think I can get better by the next month or two. Surely, I will participate.
They're encouraging other seniors to stay active.
When you stay at home and you stay at one place, your body will seize up. So you go out to enjoy yourself. You do activities, you play skipping, you running, you do walking. Those are good things, help motivate the body.
Whatever seniors club is near to you, get yourself involved in it, active or not. If you have to join like myself, but just active. It's good for the brain, it's good for your activity and your mentality. And you won't be so lonely neither.
With a ray of hope, I'm Kayan Morgan.